Hey, this is Nancy from MovinsEdition. Let me introduce you a Japanese fashion designer Mihara Yasuhiro MY-14 shoe item from the MovinsEdition series. It's a new product from MovinsEdition, which is a collaboration product of Puma x Mihara Yasuhiro MY-14. Mihara's design extracting everyone's focus by his unique and surprising ideas. Fox Lace Up is a unique, pink-colored shoes. MY-14 Fox Lace Up is unique. It looks like bowling shoes, but it's for the owner of the shoe. Nancy looks like an indoor shoes, but I'm not sure because it's not accurate. Mihara Yasuhiro signature. This is the new product from the MovinsEdition, Mihara Yasuhiro MY-14 shoes. MY-14 product is unique and Fox Lace Up, and its body is a new pink model. See ya.